Name is Saphira. You could have a little lizard like this, or you could have a big lizard like this. Just like Mr. Rex is the supersized version of this little guy, today on DIY Sci, we're taking small experiments you can do at home and blowing them up giant size. Ready? Here we go. Whoa. Whoa! As I always say, anything worth doing is worth overdoing, and that's what we're overdoing today at the Museum of Science, Boston, here on DIY Sci. You're doing such a good job. You really are. I'm Steve Spangler, and I love blowing stuff up with the power of science. I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. Bam! You can harness the power of science in your own home with DIY Sci. Yeah! Welcome to DIY Sci. Higginsworth and I are at the Museum of Science in Boston, Massachusetts. It's the kind of place you can go to learn something about the science of a seesaw. Hey! See, Higgins, you learned something about balance. At the Museum of Science, Boston, things get supersized. Like, you remember the time when Higgins and I were playing with little balancing toys that are things you could find at home? It looks like that should not balance. It should fall off your finger. It's got weights hidden in these wings. Well, you could try making that at home, but anything worth doing is worth overdoing, and you can only do that at a place like the Museum of Science, Boston. This is Morgan Brown. She's an amazing science communicator at the Museum of Science, Boston. What are you doing?
Just hanging out on this cool thing called the tip and spin.
Oh my gosh. So this is just like the smaller version that we had, but of course anything worth doing is worth overdoing, so you have supersized it.
But the kicker about this machine is that, see this red pin below me? It's not attached to the blue pole. It's just balancing there. So there's no hooks, no screws, nothing.
No. Hold on. Who's got a camera? Here, give me this. All right, here we go. I'll take you up here. All right, here I come. Serious? Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Right? It's just hanging out there. I'm just hanging out here.
So they just